world premiere movie is brought to you by new Ban Body Fresh Scent and by Tartar Control Crest.
Dust. It's everywhere. But N-Dust works like a dust magnet. Even on floors where you can't use spray wax. Nothing dusts better than N-Dust. Nothing.
I can't believe it. Don't you ever quit? I've been away a long time, and my roommate's still going strong.
Renews it Roommate Air Freshener with twice the freshening liquid so it freshens air longer than Magic Mushroom.
Long-lasting roommate.
Remember growing up in 1960? That was the year the American Dental Association first recognized a toothpaste for its power to help prevent cavities.
Crest has been shown to be an effective decay prevention.
In the 30 years since, we've grown up with fewer cavities. And Crest and the ADA are still working to ensure healthy teeth for a new generation of kids. Ours.
Sponsored by Crest.
I have 175,828 miles on my Toyota truck, and we still use it for camping, skiing. 118,108 miles. Oh, Blue just goes and goes and goes, and we're always on call.
Call us if you and your Toyota truck have a 100,000-mile story.
Story? 6,059 miles. 335,809 miles. Top that.
I love what you do for me, Toyota.
McDonald's new low-fat frozen yogurt.
It tastes fattening, but it feels skinny. It tastes indulgent, but it feels prudent.
It tastes like you're being bad, but new McDonald's frozen yogurt is 99% fat-free, and that's good. Now at McDonald's, get sundaes made with low-fat frozen yogurt and tantalizing bits of M&M's candies, tempting Heath toffee, and delicious strawberry. These toppings are for a limited time, so hurry to McDonald's.
It's time to shape up for shopping at home with the Home Shopping Club. It's easy, everyone can do it. Start with leg lifts. Reach and press. Great! Now do sit-ups. Hang in there, lift and punch. Don't forget to breathe.
Join millions of satisfied women who stretch their dollars the easy way. Home Shopping Club. The only thing that'll leave you breathless are the bargains.
Now is the time to go bowling, and the best places to bowl are Rose Bowl South and Rose Bowl North. Plus now, the Rose Bowls have the latest automatic scorers. Come out now for open bowling and Fall League warm-up specials. Good through Labor Day. Every day before 6 p.m. it's only 75 cents per game. After 6, just $1 per game. Call now for lane reservations. Rose Bowl North, 451-5717, or Rose Bowl South, 239-2388. The enjoyment will bowl you over.
We now return to I'm Dangerous Tonight, starring Machel Amick. I'm Dangerous Tonight, a USA world premiere movie, will continue.
Here, look. Nice of Uncle Silas to leave us his place.
Maybe there's a curse on it.
There sure is. I just found it. Well, who are you gonna call?
Mr. Clean, Mr. Clean.
Lemon Fresh Mr. Clean cleans through tough dirt and grime right down to the shine.
Mr. Clean, Mr. Clean, Mr. Clean.
Well, what more could you ask for?
Nice shiny bathrooms.
Mr. Clean leaves nothing behind but the shine.
Now there's a new antiperspirant scent from Ban called Body Fresh. Ban Body Fresh. Imagine a light, clean scent that harmonizes with your body. A fresh, clean scent touched by natural botanical essences. Ban Body Fresh. Ban Body Fresh scent. So light, so clean. It's the new fresh way to keep that shower fresh feeling all day.
Fruit of the Loom knows that inside your little angel lurks a one-man demolition derby.
safe! Yeah!
So Fruit of the Loom makes boys' briefs that last, wash after wash after wash, with pre-shrunk cotton fabric and a super strong waistband. That's why more moms buy Fruit of the Loom.
How was your day?
Pretty quiet.
We fit America with Fruit of the Loom.
Now look for Dick Tracy on Fun Pals, only from Fruit of the Loom.
If you need a ladder, then go to Higdon's Paint and Ladder on Dixie Highway. Fred and Randall Higdon have sold quality paint and American-made ladders for more than 20 years with over 2,500 in stock. From step ladders to extension ladders to scaffolding, the Higdons have ladders propped up on the inside, on their big lot outside, even on the roof. The Higdons are proud of their ladder and paint business, and they know they can provide you with a quality product at the best price in town. Higdon Paint and Ladder at 3819 Dixie Highway, a family-owned business selling American-made products.
Louisville, Kentucky State Fair. Sheer fun, free concerts with admission to the fair. Tuesday, August 21st, Charlie Daniels Band with the Kentucky Headhunters, 8 p.m. Cardinal Stadium. Then rock with the oldies, Johnny Rivers, Gary Puckett, and the Association, August 22nd, 8 p.m. Cardinal Stadium. And August 23rd, get Air Supply with Nicolette Larson, 8 p.m. Cardinal Stadium, free with your admission to the sheer fun of the Kentucky State Fair.
We now return to I'm Dangerous Tonight, starring Mädchen Amick and Corey Parker. I'm Dangerous Tonight, starring Anthony Perkins, will continue.
I love the sound of the rain.
And I love the taste of your fresh fruit coffee.
Thanks, but it's not fresh fruit. It's new tray cap.
Still going. Nothing outlasts the Energizer. They keep going and going and going.
I'm minding my own business, and this guy on the phone starts chewing my ear off about how I gotta leave AT&T.
First of all, I try being polite, but polite doesn't work.
Forget AT&T. We got low prices and service you can't believe.
Well, don't you want big savings?
How big is big?
I never saw the big savings.
But what kind of savings are you talking about?
Let's put it in writing.
Put it in writing.
Put it in writing.
Don't take their word for it. Have them put it in writing.
And I said, will you put that in writing? And he says, in what?
I mean, it just goes to show you, it's still not AT&T.
We got the Toyota Camry because we both need a car with a lot of room.
Mrs. Martino has like about 10,000 suitcases full of junk she packs in their comfort trips.
When we travel, Pat and I both have a lot of stuff. But it's never a problem loading the Camry.
Mr. Martino has like about one suitcase this big, but he gets to drive.
I love what you do for me, Toyota.
It's really tough to find products that meet the standards of Vidal Sassoon's worldwide salons. That's why we prefer our own. New form and finish, the benefits of a mousse and hairspray in one product. On wet hair, it shapes like a mousse. Spray again on dry hair, and it holds like a hairspray. Vidal Sassoon's new form and finish, created for women who use both mousse and hairspray. Vidal Sassoon, if you don't look good, we don't look good.
The painting, Renoir. The vase, Ning. And the wine, Chateau Marmoset.
Still going. Nothing outlasts the Energizer. They keep going and going.
You've been found guilty. Penalty is death by firing squad.
Blind murder.
Why'd you kill my boy, Blanchard?
Blind justice.
The defendants are discharged.
A father stands alone against his son's killers.
I came to bury you.
In a town where nothing is black and white.
I can't be tracked yet.
Not even the truth.
Give me an excuse.
Gerald McRaney, Blind Vengeance. A USA world premiere movie. Coming August 22nd.
This year, over 80 hours in the can. The 1990 U.S. Open on USA, starting August 27th.
We now return to I'm Dangerous Tonight, starring Mädchen Amick and Corey Parker. I'm Dangerous Tonight, starring Corey Parker, will continue.
I'm thirsty. You want orange juice?
No, thanks. I'll just have a sip of yours.
You're sure? I want a whole glass for myself.
No, I'll just have a sip.
Orange juice. It's got the vitamins, minerals, and taste that make you feel so good.
Just a sip, huh?
100% pure Florida quality orange juice. It makes you feel so good.
I'm sorry, did I drink all your orange juice?
No, he drank yours.
You never know what the day will bring.
This is contract law.
Next building.
But the unexpected's a real sure thing. On demand, you're more sure.
You see, Sure responds on demand to work harder when you need it more.
No volunteers?
So Sure helps keep you dry.
You may never know when you need more sure, but Sure knows when.
The third party.
Correct. To give you more, raise your head. On demand, you're more sure.
The engine test looked good.
This engine's got incredible stamina. It'll do it.
But there was only one way to be sure. The Hullman Indy Challenge. 24 hours at over 100 miles an hour. No test for an ordinary truck. Lap after lap, hour after hour, this production Chevy truck closed in on the record, and in the end, shattered it.
Really solid engine.
And with 77 models redesigned and engineered, GM is putting quality on the road.
A night for Excedrin PM.
Today was sure no Mother's Day.
She hit me first.
This expired.
Daddy let me.
The company's moving us.
So I can't sleep and my head aches.
When just a pain reliever isn't enough, you want Excedrin PM. Strong aspirin-free headache medicine plus a second ingredient to help you sleep. Tonight, Excedrin PM. Headache medicine, and it helps you sleep. Also in caplets.
Pass the word. Pass the word. Pass the word. Last word in low prices. Kroger cost cutter prices. Pass the word. Pass the word. Pass the word. Kroger cost cutter prices solve your food budget crisis. Pass the word. Pass the word. Go Krogering.
Attention boat lovers, Burnett Brothers Boat Mart, located at 3303 Fern Valley Road, is Kentuckiana's exclusive Cobalt and Cruiser dealer. Burnett Brothers say, come on in and see the quality line of Cobalt boats. No matter your preference, you can be sure of value and quality in either Cobalt Cruiser or Runabout. Remember, performance beyond speed, featuring the industry's first ever transferable 5-year warranty on hull, deck, engine, and outdrive. Ask about our buy now, save later policy. Burnett Brothers Boat Mart, 3303 Fern Valley Road.
We now return to I'm Dangerous Tonight, starring Anthony Perkins and Mae Chanamek.